Good evening, Sir Leo Arcayos. I am Ishalmar Andrade from G2A-1. This topic is all about compartmentation and its effect on watertight integrity. What is compartmentation? First, division of a ship into watertight compartments. 2. Uses bulkheads, decks, and partition. 3. Prevent water from spreading in case of damage. 4. Key to buoyancy, stability, and survivability. How compartmentation works. First, watertight bulkheads, vertical division from keel to deck. 2. Watertight decks, horizontal bars for vertical containment. 3. Watertight doors and hatches allow movement while preserving integrity. 4. Subdivision. Load line. Set drop limits based on flooding tolerance. Effect on watertight integrity. First, containment of flooding to limited areas. 2. Enhance ship ability to remain afloat. 3. Prevent water from spreading to vital compartments. Enhance stability. Limit shifting of water and center of gravity. Maintains metacentric height. Reduce risk of capsizing. Improve damage tolerance. Flooding confined to affected compartments, essential in case of collision, groundings, or battle. Allow time for damage control and evacuation. Regulator compliance, SOLAS and Classification Society standards. Must meet damage stability criteria 1 or 2 compartment flooding. Ensures international operational approval. Key concept: floodable light and margin line. Floodable light max light floodable without sinking. Margin line 76 mm below top of bulkhead deck. Must remain dry. Key concept: permeability and progressive flooding. Permeability, water volume percent compartment can hold. Progressive flooding, chain flooding of compartments, mitigate by effective bulkhead and door placement. Advantages of compartmentation. Ship remains operational after damage, protects critical system, localize damage for easier control, meet legal and safety requirements. Challenges and consideration. Open watertight doors reduce effectiveness. Free surface effect decreases stability. Design complexity, balancing safety and accessibility. Maintenance and best practice. Routine inspection of bulkhead, hatch, door, crew, training and drills for emergency. Equip ship the pump and damage control gear. Immediate repairs to preserve integrity. That's all. Thank you.